Hi boys and girls, I'm Jamaica.
And I am Layla.
Today we are going to be making a really fun snack or treat or appetizer. And it's really fun to make these around Halloween.
Yep.
Because we're going to make spider deviled eggs. But you can also do it if you maybe were talking about bugs in the garden or you're doing a bug and garden party. That would be like a fun thing to serve, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are going to take our hard-boiled eggs. I already hard-boiled these eggs and peeled them. So I'm going to slice these deviled eggs in half, and then I'm going to empty the yolk here on the cutting board, and Layla's going to put all the yolks into the bag so that we can make the filling for the deviled eggs. We have all of our egg yolks in here, and we're going to ziplock this closed, and Layla is going to do the honors of mushing it up with your hands. Go ahead. Like this.
Okay.
So I like to mush up the egg yolks before I add any mayonnaise to it. I just think it's easier to make sure that you get all the lumps out. And you really want to push it around with your fingers because we do not want a lumpy deviled egg. We want it to be smooth and creamy, right? So now that we have smushed up all of our egg yolks, we're gonna add a little bit of mayo. Today we are not following a recipe because sometimes it's just fun to experiment without recipes. And I've made deviled eggs before, so I kind of know a ballpark of how much mayo to use. But if you want, you can find a recipe online. There's all sorts of recipes, and it really depends on how much mayonnaise you like in your deviled eggs. Because some people like a lot of mayonnaise and some people don't like that much. And some people like to add mustard. Today we're not adding mustard because I love mustard. Layla doesn't like mustard, so we're not adding mustard today. But we are going to add a little bit of mustard, ground mustard powder. And this is kind of yummy. It doesn't give it the exact, smell. We're gonna do a little bit of that in there to give it some flavor. We're also gonna add some celery seed. You could also add real celery to your deviled eggs. You just have to chop it up really fine and small. It gives a very nice springy flavor. What about this? This is dill weed. Wanna smell this one? You have to have. Let's see if you can guess what this is by smelling it.
Seasoning.
It's garlic. Let's smush this up. Can we smush it up?
Yeah. Oh, salt and pepper.
Yes, because that makes everything more flavorful. That's pink Himalayan salt. So you notice it's pink? You want to taste it? What do you think? You like it? And then we're going to taste it. Because it's very important to taste things when you're cooking, especially when you're not using a recipe. You want to make sure that it tastes good, right?
Yep.
Good job, Lola. It's kind of fun to smush it. Yeah. Right?
Mushy, mushy!
Did you taste it? Yeah? It's a clean spoon for you. And I'll get a clean spoon too. Does it taste good?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really yummy. Okay. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to clean this bag because we want to be able to use all of this yummy egg yolk and we don't want it stuck in the bag. So we're just gonna scrape down the bag with a spatula and then I'm gonna show you my favorite reason. There's a reason why we're making our deviled eggs in a plastic bag, friends. Scraping it down. We already scraped it down with a spatula. We're just doing it with our hands a little bit more. And we are going to cut a corner off so that we can pipe this. I'm gonna show you. Oh, Jamaica may have cut too big of a corner off. Let's see. We're gonna pipe this into our egg white. It's right here, okay? So I'm gonna do one and then you can do one, okay? So I'm gonna squeeze it, and because I cut off kind of a big corner, Layla, you have to squeeze slow. Oh, it's already coming out. It does look like frosting. Voila, done. Do you wanna do one?
Yeah.
Okay. go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So squeeze slow because there's a big, I cut off a little bit too much. And then when you're ready, just push it down a little bit. There you go. Voila. So we're gonna do that for, voila. That's silly. We're gonna do that with all of our eggs, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna show you how to put spiders on them, okay? So we are back and we have filled all of our deviled eggs with the egg yolk mixture. And we are now gonna decorate them with spiders. And you know what we're gonna use to make a spider?
Olives?
An olive, a black olive. Do you wanna eat one?
No.
No, okay.
I already have one.
She had one earlier. So we are going to take our knife and we're gonna cut our olive in half to make an olive body, a spider body. So you have a half circle. And then we are gonna slither really thin on the other olives to make legs. So Layla, how many legs does the spider have?
8.
8. Are you ready? Let's make one. So here's some legs that we already chopped up here for you. And let's make a spider. So we're gonna put our body on. I'm gonna do it this way. And I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 legs on each side. Look at your spider. Should we show everybody at home? These are our spider deviled eggs. And we're gonna put it on the platter and we're gonna keep making some more for our fun Halloween party. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's make another one. Uh-oh, he took a little tumble. So Layla and I have finished our
Deviled eggs.
with spiders on top. And we are ready for Halloween. We hope that you come and join us again at JAMaROO Kids for our next cooking project. Bye-bye.